Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show us on how to import and convert ArcMap MXD file into the ArcGIS Pro work environment. So these are a series of map templates I'm working on ArcMap. So I'll just open this surface temperature map. So this is the MSD. This is in MSD format. The ArcGIS desktop ArcMap save its data as MSD on default. Okay, so I was actually working on this surface temperature map. However, there are some analysis I want to conduct on it, which the desktop ArcMap cannot do it for me. So there is a need for me to import into the ArcGIS Pro environment, and that is what this video is all about. So if you are going to follow the quick way or the shortcut that some video or some online sources must have shown you, such as dragging it will not work, right? Like if you select the file and you drag it into the ArcGIS Pro work environment, you see failed. And there are also some other videos you see where they follow through the view, activating the catalog and following through those processes. So those are a very long procedure. So just to get it done very quickly, okay, without wasting much time, you come to insert tab here, then you click on this icon, this import map icon. Click on that, then you can navigate to MSD file. So I have it under my desktop, so under LST folder here, and here it is. You can see .msd. So if your file was actually saved as map package, you can click on this drop down here and you see the map packages options, MPK and the rest, alright, or every other format. So you select the format that your data or your map is on. However, I will leave it as the ArcMap MXD, right? So you select the MXD ArcMap data, then click on OK. So you see it automatically importing it into your ArcGIS work environment easily, and you can see that the whole features was actually imported without any distortions at all. So this is how to easily import .msd ArcMap file or map into the ArcGIS Pro work environment. So you can go ahead and do your further analysis that the ArcGIS desktop cannot do. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.